This is the latest innovation in ICT. This is a 3D printed bionic leaf. This was designed by a team of engineers and scientists at a university. And it is the world's first fully 3D printed artificial leaf that can float on water and harvest energy from the sun and wind. So how does this work? Well, the leaf has two separate chambers. One for collecting rainwater and one for collecting solar energy. The rainwater is collected by the red parts of the leaf, which are made from a special type of polymer that's super thirsty. It sucks up water from the air and then funnels it down into the blue chamber. Now, this blue chamber is what we call a Faraday cage. It's basically a closed-off metal box that can trap electromagnetic energy. So when the wind blows, it causes the cage to move, which generates an electric current. The researchers say that this new technology could be used to power everything from small sensors to mobile phone. East, what do you think?